be judging some of the craziest desserts around on the Crazy Cooking Show! Okay, and now for the best part of all, the prize. Please? The golden spatula!
Ah.
Ooh,
Oh, really?
And my grand prize will be a free lunch if it's good. Okie dokie, guys. It looks like we have some pretty fierce competition here today. I'm so excited to taste those yummy treats. Starting off, we have Vampirina's Spooky Sushi.
Get ready for a spooktacular treat.
Puppy Chow Prepper's Paw Patrol.
Nom, 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 nom. The best kibble around. Nom, 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 nom. We're gonna win.
And Gourmet Guy Gekko.
Oh yeah, I'm so gonna win. They don't call me Gourmet Guy for nothing.
Okay, it looks like it's time to get this crazy cooking competition started. Let's go, go, go!
Ooh, a golden spatula. It will be mine. Now first, I've got to get rid of this judge. And I know just how to do it. Ha. There we go. A little treat for the judge. Oh, she'll never see it coming.
Okay, let's look at this competition. It looks like it... Hey, whose donut is this? Is this one of the treats that I get to have? This is nice. Good quality. Smells good. Chocolate and the sprinkles, my favorite. What could possibly go wrong?
What?
Ew!
How rude.
That's gross. That's the nastiest donut I've ever had in my life. Whoever made that is definitely disqualified. Whoa, and what's happening? Whoa! The taste is still on my tongue. My tiny tongue? What happened to me? I'm tiny again. This happens way too much for a normal girl. No, not this again. I'm super, super, super tiny.
Oh, Chef Assistant! Huh, where could she be?
Oh, hello, anybody? Oh, I'm your judge. You can't go on with the show without a judge.
Oh well.
That donut shrunk me. Oh, now what am I gonna do? Wait a second. I could go spy on the contestants to see what they're making and what ingredients they're putting in it. Onward! Hello. I'm Lex, remember?
Ooh. Welcome to my spooktacular kitchen. Are you ready, zombie monster? Okay, I can't wait to see what creepy concoction we can make today. Let me just go to the freaky fridge.
Yikes. This is one creepy kitchen.
I was thinking we could make her a spooky sandwich. Burger. Ooh, that could be good too. Okie dokie, into the cauldron, all of our special ingredients.
Ooh, I like sandwiches.
We'll start off with cheese and frankenfingers.
Okay, that's a little weird.
Oh, of course, some spicy spiders.
Yikes! What kind of sandwich is this? A spooky sandwich?
No. Can't forget our venomous veggies.
Ew, did I just see that?
And last but not least, we'll add a few more monsters and mix it up with our skeleton spoon.
This spooky sandwich does not sound like a winner for the contest. Definitely not the winner for golden spatula.
And ta-da! Yummy spooktacular sandwich. Ooh. Oh, good. A little ghost goo too. Okay, let me go add a few more things. Don't eat the sandwich while I'm gone, zombie.
With all this spooky stuff on the sandwich, I don't think anybody would want to eat this. Whoa! Don't eat me!
that. Silly zombie. Oh, man. We're gonna win this crazy cooking competition for sure. I wonder how the others are doing.
Oh, sweet! The Puppy Dog Palace Awesome Care Bus has a snack station!
Woof, woof. Okay, puppy chow preppers. Let's work together to figure out the best, most scrumptious treat for the assistant. Now I've called in some backup. Who knows snacks better than everyone else? Oh! Ta-da! Scooby-Doo here. I brought all of the things we need. Yummy!
Oh yeah, Scooby-Doo is a snack time professional. Let's see what they make.
So what goes into the perfect sandwich, Scooby-Doo?
Yummy.
Well, all of these things, of course. Let's see, we have bananas and french fries.
Okay. We're a combo.
And bell pepper and some fish bones.
Okay, that is all. And I'm not a dog, so why would I want a Scooby snack?
And pie and little shrimpies and a taco. Tacos are good. Oh yes, and donuts. Donuts are a must. Put it all together and ta-da! The bestest sandwich in the whole wide world. Yummy, smells so good. Woof woof. Oh, we'll definitely win with this crazy combination. Hey, let's go play some fetch before the judging starts. Woof woof woof. Okay, we're coming. Woof woof.
Okay, folks, this has definitely been one of the craziest combinations I've ever seen. Wait, we're on the crazy cooking competition. So, if they go crazy, I'll just have to accept it. Because they win the best prize ever. The Golden Spatula. Well, no one's won yet. I didn't know people were going to go this crazy.
So yummy.
Oh, it's a Scooby.
I think I should just taste test it, right?
A hungry Scooby.
Oh, am I kidding? I can always make another one.
Oh, no. Is the coast clear? Phew. Well, I'm not looking forward to taste testing that slobbery, cloggy surprise. Time to go check in on Gekko.
Gourmet Gekko here, and I'm gonna make the biggest burrito ever. The biggest in the whole wide world. Oh, I'm definitely gonna win this crazy cook competition. Yeah. Okay, now to go get my special ingredients. Just you wait, you guys. This is gonna be the best burrito the chef assistant has ever tasted. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Now where did that Gourmet Gekko guy go?
Okay, everyone, stand back.
Oh, there! Why is he up there?
It's about to rain burrito bits. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Am I standing inside of a giant burrito rug? Let me make sure. Yeah, it is. Ah!
Incoming!
My shoes are gonna get ruined! Phew, that was a close one. Ew, slimy sardine. That's the one thing that I do not like in my food. Ugh.
Rolling.
Oh, I gotta get out of here. Ah!
Rolling up my burrito. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna win. Go Gourmet Gekko!
Phew! Well, I'm definitely not trying any of their competition treats now.
Huh?
Spooky, slobbery, and stinky?
Roof, roof.
No thanks!
But you're the judge assistant. Why can't you? Just because you're tiny doesn't mean you can't try it.
Roof, roof. Ooh yeah. Get ready, yummy.
Oh, great! Now I have to try something to get to my normal sizing. Okay, here goes. Oh, look, it's baby Jack Jack!
Roof, roof, roof. Yum, yum, yum.
That's it!
Yeah, did you say?
Baby Jack Jack, share num num cookie.
Yeah, did you say?
Thank you baby Jack Jack. Whoa! Whoa! Yay, I'm back to normal again. This Num Num cookie was delicious. Attention all guests! We had a new entry and the winner is Jack Jack with this spectacular Num Num cookie!
Jack Jack! Yeah, Yum, yum, yum. Whee!
Wow, that was so much fun! Being tiny and going on that crazy cooking adventure. There's another cool video starting right now. Bye!
Here, Gucci, Gucci, goo! Oh no! Not a tot baby! Not a tot baby! I'm not hungry anymore!
Oh, help! Help! What am I gonna do?
Don't worry, we're
Oh, no,
here!
Assistant, what's wrong?
What's wrong? Do you need any help?
Oh, PJ Masks and Paw Patrol, thank goodness you're here. I need you for a dun dun dun! A haunted mission!
Oh no!
Oh, the little tots, baby tots, are somewhere stuck in the Vampirina Scare B&B. Oh, where's he?
Assistant, are you okay?
Oh, yeah. Are you okay? Okay, here's your mission. You gotta find them back before the monsters do. Oh, it just scares me saying that.
Have no fear. The Paw Patrol and PJ Masks are here. We'll go find those tiny tots.
Go, all you brave puppies and pajama people. I wouldn't be able to do it. Okay, are they gone? Good. Now I've got a mission of my own to scare the PJ Masks and Paw Patrol. Okay, that was a little too far. I'm gonna get them! Ready or not, here I come!
Okay, teams, listen up. It's our mission to rescue the tots from inside the spooky haunted mansion. Ooh, but it's really, really big, so it looks like we're splitting up.
Oh man, are you sure that's a good idea?
Come on, you guys, there's no time to waste. Besides, the faster we can find the tots, the faster we can get out of here. Who knows what kind of spooky shenanigans are lurking around these corners. Yikes! Okie dokie. Paw Patrol and PJ Masks, let's go, go, go!
Oh, okay then. I guess they're all gone.
Go.
Oh, well, I guess it's just you and me now, Rebel. Come on, let's see if we can find the tots. Tots! Tots! Oh, whoa, wait for me. Tots! Tots!
Little babies, where are you?
Huh. I don't know about you, Gekko, but I'm a little hungry after all of our searching. We just started. Ooh, a fridge. I wonder what monster-sized snacks are hiding over there. Come on, let's check it out real quick. Okay. Oh, you never know. Maybe there's a little tots baby in there snacking on some monster treats. Here, Gucci, Gucci, goo!
Oh no! Not a tot baby! Not a tot baby!
I'm not hungry anymore!
Yes, I got them so good. Who's next?
Oh, little tots! Roof, roof! Oh, little tots! All I smell are creepy skeleton bones and stinky sewer rats. Oh, where could they be? Hey, look! Something's moving behind the couch! Maybe that's them! Shoo! Shoo, Mr. Franken-Zombie! I think that's not a hat, but good luck! Look, there's definitely something moving back there. Come on out, little tots babies! We found you! Ruff, ruff, we're here to rescue you! Vampire!
Ha! Did you see that? Classic. Let's keep scaring.
Tots! Tots! here, baby babies. Where are you? Oh man, we've searched everywhere. Yeah, I'm exhausted. Ooh, I could use a quick little break. Huh? Ah, that's better. What a comfy bed. Catboy, I don't think that's a bed. That's a spider web. Whoa, that was a close one. Whew. Not as close as that ghost is getting to us. Ah! Oh no, mission failed. We searched high and low all throughout Vampirina's Scared B&B, and we didn't find any of the tots. Roof, roof. What are we gonna do now, Catboy? Well, we can't give up. Let's all keep working together and search the house again. But there was monsters everywhere. Come on, you guys. PJ Masks and Paw Patrol, let's go. Alrighty, just behind this door. Let's keep going.
We got you.
Huh? Werewolves and monsters everywhere!
It was me the whole time. Ta-da!
Assistant? But what about all these monsters? And what about the tots?
Yeah, the tots were totally in on it too. Well, we all were on a mission. I was just to scare you. Boo! So, which one was the scariest? The Frankenstein head, the vampire, or the wolf head?
To me, it was the ghost. Definitely the ghost. How'd you manage flying around? Super spooky.
The ghost? I was never a ghost. Uh-oh. I think it's time to get out of here.
Wait for me!
Got him! Boo!
Wow, that was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you ask the parents to subscribe and like this video. Bye!